You just got hit. You pull out that handy what to do after an accident checklist from your glove compartment, and you go down the list. That's the standard post-accident checklist any auto insurance company or driving school will give you. Don't have one? Visit our website to download your free copy. But what if you were badly injured, or you don't have a camera or smartphone to take photos? Or worse, what if the other party already fled the scene before you can write down any vehicle information? In this video, we will show you how the dashcam helps in these different situations. We will also show you how to retrieve the dashcam footage and what you should and shouldn't do with it. And finally, we will give you our top 3 dashcam picks that can give you the most peace of mind. On the road, minor driving accidents, all parties cooperating. This is definitely our best case scenario because you can check off many of the boxes in your post-accident checklist. But if you're able to get the information you need to file that claim, do you still need a dashcam? The answer is yes, because you can use that footage to supplement your crash report. On the road, major driving accidents, serious injury, all parties cooperating. Now, the accident is quite serious and you're unable to get out of your car to get photos or exchange information with the other party. Your dashcam footage then will be your only crash scene report. Your insurance company would very likely be able to gather information from your footage to complete your claim. What if you don't have a dashcam? In this case, your claim will rely heavily on reports from the other party or witnesses. Hopefully, they are as cooperative and as truthful as you need them to be. Unlike a dashcam, witnesses and the other party could be a little biased. On the road, hit and run accident. Hit and run accidents are some of the trickiest claims to file as they happen so fast you didn't get a chance to note down any information before the guilty party left the accident scene. Remember those posters at intersections pleading for witnesses? Yeah, you will need to create those posters because unless you have dashcam footage, there is no way to prove what or how it happened. Parked car, hit and run accident. The good news is that you weren't in the vehicle, so there's no injury sustained. The bad news is that you have no idea who, what, or when your vehicle was hit. Again, unless you have dashcam footage or an I can be your witness note from a Good Samaritan, you, or the insurance company, and the police might never find out what really happened. As you can see, having a dashcam is crucial in 3 of the 4 most common car accident scenarios. So unless you are confident that scenarios 2, 3, and 4 will never happen to you, you really do need a dashcam. Some dashcams come with built-in screens where you can view the accident footage right on the dashcam. We have heard of drivers who would play accident footage for on-scene police officers through the built-in screen. Dashcams that come with built-in screens include THINKWARE X1000, Viofo A129 series, and all NEXTBASE dashcams. If your dashcam doesn't come with the built-in screen, most likely the brand has a free mobile viewer app in the App Store or the Google Play Store that you can download onto your smartphone. You will then use the app to connect your phone to the dashcam to play back the accident footage and save it or even share it via email right from your phone. If your dashcam doesn't come with the built-in screen or mobile viewer app, then you will need to take the microSD card out of the dashcam and plug it into your computer and access the video file. How do I know which one is the accident footage file? All dashcams record videos onto the microSD card that you have inside the dashcam. Typically, accident files are labeled or saved in a separate folder on the microSD card. This is to make sure it doesn't get overwritten by the loop recording feature of the dashcam. As you can see, as long as the accident, driving or parked, is strong enough to trigger the dashcam's G sensors, the video will be saved and protected in a special folder so that you don't have to worry about it being erased or overwritten. If all parking accident files are autosaved, why do I need to spend more money on a dashcam that offers buffered parking mode? Buffered parking mode is the ability of the dashcam to record without writing to the memory card. When you power down your car, or if your car has been motionless for a certain period of time, the dashcam will go into sleep mode. This is where the camera stops recording and goes into standby mode. Once an impact has been detected, such as a hit, the camera will wake up and resume recording. While it only takes a few seconds for the camera to wake up, a lot can happen in those few seconds, such as the other car driving away. So if your dash cam doesn't have buffered parking recording, there might be a chance the camera didn't get all the footage you need to file your claim. On the other hand, a dash cam with buffered parking mode will wake up before the impact is detected. As soon as the camera's motion sensor detects any movement, it will wake up and start recording. If no impact is detected during this time, the camera will erase that recording and go back to sleep. But if impact is detected, the camera will add this short clip to the event file and save it all in the event file folder. In other words, buffered parking mode gives you before and after footage of a hit and run. Will I get a notification if my parked car was hit? If your car was hit while parked and the accident was captured by your dash cam, there will be a notification waiting for you when you return to the car and turn the ignition on. But if you want to stay on top of these situations and get notified as soon as the accident happens, there are dash cams that can send an instant notification to the mobile viewer app on your smartphone whenever an event file has been recorded. At this present time, this instant notification feature is only available on the THINKWARE and BlackVUE cloud-ready models, such as the THINKWARE U1000 or the BlackVUE DR900X Plus. But the dashcam will need to be connected to the cloud server in order for the dashcam to send the instant notification. In other words, you will need a mobile hotspot in your car. If you're using the BlackVUE DR900X or DR750X or the X Plus series, you can get the optional CM100 LTE module. Do I need auto cloud backup? This does come in handy in the event you are separated from your car and your dashcam. Like if you got into an accident and were taken into the hospital and your car was towed somewhere else. Or it was a break and enter and your car and dashcam were stolen. Keep in mind that not all video files are auto-uploaded to the cloud. For instance, for THINKWARE dashcams, only strong impact video files are auto-uploaded. For example, a strong collision while you're driving. Again, the dashcam will need to be connected to a hotspot. If you have a NEXTBASE dashcam, clips are uploaded to the cloud only if you push them. In other words, cloud backup won't work if you don't have access to your dashcam after the accident. Can the dashcam help me call for help? If you have a NEXTBASE dashcam, its emergency SOS response feature can help you call 911. The feature is designed to automatically and directly connect you to the nearest ambulance service in the event of an accident when you are unable to call for assistance. In order for this function to work, you must have the My NEXTBASE Connect app installed on your smartphone, have an internet connection, and have Bluetooth enabled. While the THINKWARE and BlackVUE dashcams can call 911 for you, it does have the ability to send a notification to any device that has a mobile app installed and connected. So, say if you have the THINKWARE Cloud app installed on your phone and your spouse or child takes the car out and gets into an accident, you'll receive the impact notification on your phone. Accident video files, do's and don'ts. Which dashcam gives me the best protection in any accident scenarios? Hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to stay up to date on all things BlackboxMyCar, make sure to subscribe to our channel and also leave a thumbs up in this video. Thanks for watching.